steering into a career. The Be Pro Be Proud SC tractor trailer was parked outside of Beaufort High School, introducing students hands-on to several different careers in the trade industry.
Technical skills are there, necessary in South Carolina. About 49% of men and women retiring right now, no one to take their spot. And a lot of these kids don't know there's money to be made, and these companies are needing these younger generations to come up and take these men and women that are retiring and get them on the right track. And there's money out there in these technical skills, and we need them just to get out there and see what's really going on.
High school students, as well as several middle schoolers in the area, had the opportunity to go inside the truck, to use several driving simulators, and complete virtual reality job challenges.
My favorite thing was driving the semi-truck because of my grandfather used to drive a semi-truck, so I figured I would give it a shot, and it actually wasn't as hard as I thought it would be.
The forklift, you pick up packages and move them around, going through obstacles. It was kind of easy, turning and going in between the obstacles. The gas pedal was real fast, like real easy to move around with.
My favorite station was the truck driving. It learned me how to start a truck, how to watch out for things that's crossing the road. It just teaches me how to drive and learn how to control the things.
The students enjoyed learning about and experiencing all the different career pathways.
Not everyone can go to college, not everyone has the money to go to college, but they can still make a living doing something else. And this teaches that, which is important, and also might teach them something they enjoy or a life skill like welding.
While in the area, the Be Pro Be Proud SC truck will be stopping by a few other high schools in the district. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.